guys don't know what those mantras are, so I've got this mantra on the screen. You don't have to repeat after me, just read the translation if you want, so you know what I'm praying. So before we start, it's called Mangalacharan. That means we are invoking the presence of Lord. We did Kirtan and now we're going to do this Mangalacharan. So I'm invoking the mercy of the Guru Maharaj as well as the Lord, so that I can give this class not for this. It's not coming from me, it's coming from the scriptures. And I'm just an instrument. Let's start. Om Ajnanatirmirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Mena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Uttapad Kamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavamsha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahajan Raghunathan Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvetam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahajan Lalita Shri Vishakhan Vitam Sha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Shri Radha Kanta Namostute Tapte Kanchane Gaurangi Radhe Vindhyavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhu Bhayevacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Mukam karoti vachalam prabhum langayate girim yat kripadam ham vande Shri Gurum Deenitarinam. Hare Krishna. So thank you very much for coming on a Friday evening. There are so many different things that you could have done. Lekin aap log yahan aao. Thank you. So I want to take some blessings from all the senior people here who are here to give us some really amazing Ashirwad. So I really prayed on their lotus feet so that I can speak just for my own purification. And whatever I can speak will have a transformative impact on all of you as well as me. So we are doing Science of Self-Discovery. We have done Search for Happiness. We are currently doing Does God Exist? Ayurveda mythology. And from next class, we're going to start doing Who Am I? Depending on if I can finish today. This is the 4th week we are doing Does God Exist? So we actually saw why do people believe in God. We looked at scientific proof of God's existence. We looked at 3 challenges to God's existence. And we looked at definition of God. And today we're going to talk about how to seek perfect knowledge of God, and is accepting scriptures blind faith or reality. Let's look at reasons why people don't believe in God. We actually did that because we think, oh, there is no proof. I have not seen him. How can God allow so many sufferings? So we saw 4 common reasons for people to believe in God, and which was dust. D stands for fulfill desires. U stand for fear of unknown. S stand for social pressure, T stand for blind following of the tradition. फिर हम लोगों ने देखा था what is the proof of existence of God? The 4 ways to prove God's existence. C, Lord. What was C for? Creator. And L for?
Lawmaker.
Yeah. And OR?
Organizer.
Needs organizer. And D for?
Designer.
Ruby, you have to do that as well, so that they know which slide I'm talking about.
Okay.
So 2 challenge, and then we're gonna talk. We spoke about 2 challenges. It was 3, but 2 we spoke about first. Can you show me God? And then there is another one, which is who created God. So we discussed that if you can only see God if you become qualified, and if you need to follow process. And we did Arna and me, we did a little skit here, and where somebody was refusing to listen to the scientific proof. Then somebody says, can you show me God? So how can you believe in God that you haven't not seen? So not everything that we see, not everything that exists we see. Electricity we don't see, but we believe in it. So there is an impact, cause and effect. Then we discussed that the unseen can be proven by seen, which is like a necklace, pearl necklace. We are sure that there is a thread which is unseen, which is carrying the necklace. So technically we need to become qualified. If you want to see God, we need to become qualified, and we need to follow the process. Uske baad we discussed who created God, and we realized God is beyond time and space. And then we discussed that God is eternal, like law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be destroyed or created. Similarly, God is the ultimate energy, which cannot be created or destroyed. So there is no creator of God. So whatever is there, if we find there is someone else creating that thing, that means that other thing is God. Now, and then we discussed there are 6 misconceptions about God. And what were they? God is light, God is nature, God is dead, I am God, you are God, everyone is God, God is rituals, world is an illusion, God is imagination. And we looked at the 3 universal definition of God. Universal definition was supreme CEO. C is controller, enjoyer, and owner. Then we actually looked at he's a source. Whatever doesn't have a source, that is God. He's a proprietor, supreme enjoyer, supreme controller, and Bhagwan. Anybody remember what Bhagwan means? Bhagwan. What is the meaning of Bhagwan? Remember? No? Bhag is what? Wan. This is Bhagyavan. What is Bhagya means? Luck. Bhagyavan means who has luck. Dhanwan. Balwan. So Bhag is what? Opulence. Yes. So whoever possesses 6 opulence in full is God. What are the 6 opulence? Wealth. Money. Wealth and money. Yeah. Wealth. Fame. Yeah. Beauty. Yes. Power. Huh? Yeah. Fame. Yeah. Knowledge. So 6. Renunciation, sorry. Knowledge is twice. Renunciation. So someone who has got all the 5 but he is not attached to that is renunciation. So that's God. So now how to seek perfect knowledge of God. So there are 3 ways of doing. Today, aaj ki class mein, we will look at how do we see any knowledge, not just about God, any knowledge with what we want. There are 3 ways of gaining that knowledge. The first is scientific observation. Second is speculation and theories. And the third is superior authority. There is a Sanskrit term for all of these 3. One is Pratyaksha Praman, Anuman Praman, and Shabda Praman. So, what is Pratyaksha Praman? Pratyaksh means Prati means direct. Aksh means eyes. So it actually means anything which is directly through the senses. Eyes are one of the senses, yeah. So it means Pratyaksh Praman, which is scientific observation, means directly dekha hua, hai na? So people say, na, seeing is believing, scientific method of observation, anything, any data which is outside these five senses, we reject it. कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है तो नहीं है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो नहीं है. We'll talk about all of these things in very detail. The second one is speculation and theories, which is अनुमान प्रमाण. हिंदी में उसको मुंबई लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलते हैं? तुक्का मारना, है ना? Guess work. तो कोई चीज जब we can't understand by direct perception, we actually create a theory. Can someone name one of the theory which is nearly a tukka? Big Bang theory. It's actually very close to a tukka. It's just because you can't prove it, you know. And the last one is a superior authority, which is called Shabda Praman. I'm gonna get someone here. Who should I get? Someone. Prabhu, can you come and sit over here for me? Sorry, Prabhu. How many of you know Prabhu's name? Raise your hand. So you don't have to answer any of the things that I'm going to ask, okay? Okay. All right. So oh.
No, it's cool.
Okay. Oh, it's fine. It's okay. All right.
Yes, let's come back. Oh.
Why is it moving so much? All right. So let's do this experiment while we. All right. So जो प्रभु को नहीं जानते हैं, I want them to literally answer this. And this is मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. If you participate in this, it will make sense. Otherwise, it won't. Okay. What is Prabhu's name? Guess. Anybody? Just say it. जिनको नहीं पता है. हाँ. Vinod, okay. Anybody else? Huh? Rajesh Khanna. Arvind. Gaurav. Avinash, okay. Huh? Jimmy, Salman Khan. Okay. All right. Next question. What is his favorite? Who is his favorite cricketer? Sachin? Virat Kohli? Okay. What's his favorite dish?
Mr. Beast.
Huh? Nah, aap mat bolo. Huh? Come on. Pav Bhaji. Huh? Rajma. Anyone? Roti. Chole Bhature. Okay. All right. And the last one, maybe. What is his favorite color? Blue. Green? Okay, green. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my. Can I have a mic, please? Yes. So what did you guys do? When I asked you color blue, what is his color? You say blue and this and that because you saw him, yeah? So that was Anuman. And उससे पहले क्या था सारा? नहीं, वो प्रत्यक्ष था, बाकी सारा तुक्का था, है ना? Anuman. So Prabhu, I'm gonna ask you, what's your name?
Mohit.
So all of the people who said the name was not correct, yeah? Okay, Prabhu, what's your favorite? Who is your favorite cricketer? Virat Kohli. Some of you guys were tukka chal gaya. Yeah, very good. What's your favorite food, Prabhu?
बहुत सारे हैं.
Just say one. उनमें से favorite कौन है? सबसे ज़्यादा favorite. If you have everything there. Paratha. Okay. See, nobody's. Okay. But you know her, na? Know him, na? So okay. So and what was what color? What's your favorite color? Blue. Who said blue? Okay. So look, हम लोगों ने क्या करा? पहले प्रत्यक्ष देखा, है ना? We asked. फिर हम लोगों ने दूसरा क्या देखा? प्रमाण. तुक्का भी लगाया, अनुमान प्रमाण भी लगाया. But what he said, that is called Shabda Praman. Now, who knows better apart from his wife? Who knows him better than him? You know. Sometimes wife knows better, you know. But I'm talking about apart from his
Parents.
Parents, yeah, not my parents don't know everything about me.
God will know everything.
Yeah, God. So thank you very much, Mohit Prabhu. Alright, thank you very much. Clap for Mohit Prabhu. So the reason is this is called Shabda Praman. So, knowing this, what is the best way to acquire knowledge? Shabd Praman. But can we use Pratyaksh Praman? Yeah, because if he's wearing a dark blue jacket, that gives us a little bit. Anuman Praman? Yes. If he's an Indian, if you see a person who is, you know that he looks like a German guy or Italian guy who probably like pizza and stuff more, So there are some merits to Anuman Praman as well as Pratyaksh Praman. But the highest level of Praman is Shabd Praman. Now we're going to talk about what are the problems in first two. हम लोगों ने कुछ तो देख ही लिया अभी practical. We will talk about more, so
वो थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है फिर आ जाता है.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let's talk about the limitations of. I'll talk just आ जाएगा तो आ जाएगा. Otherwise we'll continue. Okay. There are 4 limitations to scientific observation. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण में 4 गलतियां हैं. ठीक है? वो 4 गलतियां क्या देखेंगे हम लोग? Because प्रत्यक्ष का क्या मतलब होता है? From our
eyes,
senses, है ना? It's not really just eyes, it's senses. I might have to buy a new HDMI cable, long one.
What is wrong with the material? Humans make it too confusing and then they confuse themselves.
Human confuse you?
They confuse themselves. They just make stuff more
Alright.
confusing so people can buy it.
Okay.
They don't use it.
Scanning for devices. Something is wrong. Anybody has another HDMI cable in the bags? Okay. Oh, thank you. I don't think it's gonna reach. First one में लगाना, top one. Yes, that's it. Let it go. Let's see. Hello. So I don't think there is a problem with HDMI mics. There is a problem with.
Why is it scanning?
We'll try one more time. Okay.
Yeah, it has come.
All right. Let's continue. Okay. So there are 4 limitations of scientific observation, which is Pratyaksh Praman. The first is imperfect senses. Can someone read the next one? Where the mic is?
Illusions.
What is the next one?
Illusion.
Next one. Can you give it to Adi?
Commit mistakes.
Commit mistake. Yes. Next one.
Cheating.
Cheating. Okay. So let's look at these ones in detail. So, how many senses do we have? 5. Can you name them? Huh? Yes. Touch is feel. Same thing. Eyes. No. Hearing. Yeah. Skin. Yes. Touch. Skin is touch. So eyes, tongue, ears, touch, skin, smell. There are 5 senses. Now, all of these 5 senses are actually imperfect. Now, how do we know? How do we know they are imperfect? Give me the mic. Give me the mic.
Remember what we said with atoms? This is a material world and not everything is right.
Yes. But how do we know that our senses are imperfect? I'm talking about the senses, our senses. Yes, Adi.
After you get old, your hearing stops working.
Oh, sometimes most of the husbands' hearing doesn't work. Old or not old doesn't really matter. But you're right. Thank you. So let's look at another way of illusion. I don't know whether this will work.
Who's that?
Or Prabhu, I need your phone.
He has a long nose.
There's no
It
connection.
looks like his
Internet
phone.
nahi aata.
It looks like his feet. His phone. He should be
Thank you, Prabhu.
That's an alien. How did it work? Why is his
Because it's Nirmal Prabhu's phone, it always works.
long nose? He has a long nose.
Just press space bar.
It's on the
Just,
top. It's on the top.
just go
left of it.
down.
Right.
Niche, down, one inch. And
Can you see my cursor? What's not
now,
Yeah.
it's now down.
It's very at the corner. इस कॉर्नर पर है वो,
Yes, big thing.
बिल्कुल कॉर्नर पर है. So diagonally, हाँ. Diagonally आप ऊपर लेके आओ. हाँ हाँ. Keep going. हाँ यहाँ पे.
I want to see it again.
All right. So what happened?
What?
Where's the mic? Who's got the mic? Yes. Yes.
So the person, like the robber, he had an illusion of like magic tricks,
Mm-hmm.
and his senses failed him like that because
Okay.
he had illusions of
Okay. Cool. Anyone else? Yes.
To me, he got instant karma.
Instant karma. Okay, very good. At the back. At the back.
The person is running after money and he's caged by money. For
Yes, that is correct. Yes, thank you. Very good. Very good. Anyone else? Like, think about it as Maya, you know. Maya thought, we think that we can cheat God, we can cheat Maya. But we can't. We can't. See the illusion? This is actually a depiction of, we will talk about this in our next class again, more about our karma and Maya. Now we are talking about, guys, we are talking about illusion, yeah? Our eyesight is not perfect. How do we know? Is this picture moving or not moving?
It feels like moving.
It feels like moving. Is it moving though?
No.
So what is that? If it's not moving but feels like moving, there's something wrong with our eyes, you know. It's not something wrong with the picture. It's eyes, because we are in illusion, you know. Like हमारे यहाँ पर, हमारे आजू बाजू में, there is electromagnetic radiations that ranges from quadrillionth of a meter to 100 million meters. इतनी range है. आपको पता है how much we can see? How much we can see? Can anybody say? What is our हमारी औकात कितनी है? कितनी frequency? No. It's hertz में 20 to 20,000 hertz. इसके नीचे कुछ होगा. 400 to 7,000 oh yeah. What's happening? Why can't I come back here? Now I can't find my cursor. Can anyone help me find my cursor? Anyway, let's go to the next one. Let me get out of this because I really need to go.
Now it's there.
You have the same background as
You can see it? Alright, that's fine. I can see it now.
Cursor is an illusion.
Cursor is an illusion.
I guess your
Alright.
senses failed you too.
Thank you very much for the closed captions. For example, like if we see only seeing is believing, you know, one day, Novak Djokovic actually asked, you know, he told Rajnikant that he knows everything about tennis. You can ask me everything about tennis and I would know it. You know what he asked Rajnikant? How many holes are there in the net? So we can trump everyone, not Rajnikant. So when we ears, like this is what I was talking about, between 20 to 20,000 hertz we can hear, yeah? Anything less than that we can't, anything more than that we can't. That's why, आपको पता है, in India, is one of the product is very famous. चूहों को भगाने के लिए they have a little instrument जो उसको plug कर दो and it creates a sound जो irritate कर देता है चूहों को. But we can't hear it, you know, because they can hear it. So, you know, so one day Rajnikant's daughter's birthday was there and Rajnikant was playing drums, you know. Alien came and said, hey, can you please do slowly because my daughter has exam tomorrow. We can hear it from the other side of the galaxy. So Rajnikant may have different things, but we don't. Now, the other thing is smell. You know, dogs play an important role in narcotics. We all know that, yeah?
Apparently they track down people because about 10,000 skin cells drop per minute from you.
Oh,
So they
what?
just
Yes.
anything
That's
different
another
from
thing
that.
because 10,000 skin cells drop every time, so they can smell you. कि कहाँ से आपका किस जगह से गया. Very good. Thank you, beta. Next is we can eat how is that tongue illusion? How is that tongue is illusion? Give me an example. We can gain some knowledge from the tongue. You know, for example, if I eat sweet, there's a knowledge through my tongue. I can say that it's sweet. How can our tongue be illusioned? Give an example. This is tricky.
Because when you think about lemons,
Yeah.
it just you can
That's true. That's true. Give me an example where you taste something, but it doesn't taste like what you're eating. For example, if you have like rasgulla and then you drink your tea with sugar, you won't feel any sugar in there. That's an illusion, isn't it? Sugar is there, but you can't feel it because your taste buds have certain capacity they can handle. Same thing, अगर आप नींबू खा के संतरा खाओगे, it will feel really sweet. Other way around, it will be completely sour.
One more thing.
Yes.
If your nose is blocked, you can't taste it.
You can't taste anything. Yes, that's another thing. One day, I'm actually a big fan of Rajnikant, so don't take me otherwise. So one day Rajnikant actually got.
So you don't brush your teeth, do you?
Rajnikant ate the whole bottle of sleeping pill. You know what happened? They made him blink. That's his thing. Now skin. The last one is skin. Like, you know, dry ice. Have you ever tried a dry ice? आप लोगों की कभी chemistry lab में लिखी ना dry ice. You put the dry ice on your skin. ऐसा लगेगा skin जल रही है, but it's actually not. It's not burning. It's cold. Dry ice is cold. Absolutely cold. You know, some people say it's cold burn. It's not cold burn. It's not burning, but it gives you the sensation. Dry ice, है ना? Now, can scientific instruments compensate? अब हमारी देखो मेरी आंखें खराब हैं, so I've got glasses. ठीक है? Does that mean it's perfect now? Can I? ये जो illusion मैंने देखा था, if I see the illusion with my glasses, I will still see the illusion. इसका मतलब क्या है कि we can have scientific instruments, but that doesn't mean they're gonna give us the perfect year. So, for example, हर साल नई थ्योरी आ जाती है, पुरानी चीजें डिबंक हो जाती है ना? There is a guy. What's his name? What's the biggest telescope in the world? What's it called?
James
Hubble. Yeah, the scientist Hubble, the guy who's named after the telescope is named after him. Hubble. He actually was the first person pioneered in calculating interstellar distances. Those stars के बीच में distances ये calculate करता था. So he discovered a number. It's called Hubble's constant. So कोई भी आपको distance create करना होगा तो you have to multiply it with the Hubble's constant. So it's called Hubble's constant. तो कुछ सालों के बाद some other guy actually said no. The constant, the number that he gave it was wrong. So actual number is this. थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे था. So scientific community ने मान लिया ठीक है. और it proved कि सही था. So they got that. So Hubble constant को change करके दूसरा कर दिया. And 3-4 बार हो गया. 3-4 बार हो गया. Now you know what Hubble's constant is called? Hubble variable. क्योंकि उनको पता नहीं कल भी चेंज हो जाएगा. Literally this is the truth. So if you go online, it used to be called Hubble's constant. Now it's called Hubble variable because it can change tomorrow. Because हमारी जो understanding है, हम कितना भी आगे जा रहे हैं, it doesn't mean that we will get there. So that was our imperfect senses. That was our first problem in Pratyaksh Praman. ठीक है? Second problem is illusion. You know, illusion means if you look at this, what do you see? Ships. But can you see? How many of you can see bridge? Yeah. How many of you can see ship? Is it ship or bridge? Both. And actually, an optical illusion. How about this one? What can you see?
Why are there two old age people? There's a person with a guitar.
Yeah.
And a lady.
Yeah.
There are owls.
What else is there? Owls and what else?
Dolls.
Dolls. What else?
And there's one more there. I don't know.
No. Huh?
Looks like a duck.
Two old people. Yes. The ship. Okay. Very good. What else?
There's a
cup.
torch.
There's a cup.
A lamp. Yes. Bottle. Somebody would see the bottle first, but that's a different story. We know who those people are. But yes, everything is there, you know. But it is an optical illusion. There is another one, this one. Can someone explain to me what's happening?
It looks like
There's a person sitting on the rock with like
Person sitting on the rock with something. Keep looking, keep looking. Yes, he's painting what?
Eyes.
Is that an eye? Look carefully. It's a hut. So there is a hut on the left hand side and he's looking at that hut and he's painting on the right on his canvas. Yeah. So that's an optical illusion. Now, हमारी आंखें मतलब हर चीज, like not just eyes, everything else can give us a lot of illusion. Like, you know, now mirage is in the desert is another optical illusion, है ना? Yes.
I saw our teacher showed this artwork at school last week.
Yeah.
I did this week or last week. It's like at the start it was two giraffes, but when it moved to the side, it turned into an elephant. And it was 3D object.
Yes. So that's another optical illusion, है ना? So a mirage is another one. You know, for example, you know, another illusion is when someone finds opposite sex really attractive. Like, you know, boys look at girls and they find it attractive. Girls find boys attractive. But we look at cockroaches, we look like, yuck. But what about the female cockroach looking at the male cockroach, or male cockroach looking at the female cockroach? They don't look at them like, they're yucky. They look at them as like, oh my goodness, look at how handsome this is, how glistening the skin is. Oh, look at that. Oh, I know, 6 strong legs. They look at them like that. So it's actually, it's different, like, So it is an illusion. There was in KBC, Amitabh Bachchan had Rajnikant on the hot seat, and he goes to computer. He says, "Computer ji, Rajnikant ji ke liye pehla sawal pesh kiya jaye." And you know what computer said? "Kyun mazak kar rahe ho, sir ji?" All right. The next one is commit mistake. So now what happens is we have our imperfect senses. We are in illusion, and because of these two, we always commit mistakes. Because we are doing things with our senses. So, for example, आपको पता ना, Mahatma Gandhi was actually warned, don't go to this particular place, there is a plot to kill you. But he went, that was a mistake in terms of, on one side it's actually a mistake, And आपको पता 1950s में, this is before smoking companies paid the doctors to say it, but there was an actual article in 1950s before major companies started creating cigarettes. It said that if you smoke, your blood circulation will be stronger. Because when you're smoking, your heart is saying, "Arey kya kar raha hai?" और blood भेजना पड़ेगा. So obviously it will be stronger, but it's not good for your heart. So and it took research. लोगों ने research करी, फिर उन्होंने बोला ना, that's rubbish. आपको पता है Dalton's atomic theory stated that atom was the smallest. Then Bohr said, no, he's got a better theory. वो क्या था? There are atom के अंदर electrons, protons होते हैं और भी छोटे हैं. Then उसके बाद नहीं, Rutherford आया उसके बाद. Dalton के बाद Rutherford कहता है कि there is protons, electrons. फिर उसका Bohr आया, उसने बोला I will give you all, even एक और theory मैं देता हूँ, Bohr's theory. लेकिन वो Bohr's theory किस पे थी? सिर्फ हाइड्रोजन पे फिक्स बैठ रही थी, बाकी किसी एलिमेंट पे नहीं बैठ रही थी, तो वो हो गया. फाइनली मेंडलीव आ गया. फिर उसने क्या करा? पीरियोडिक टेबल जो हम लोग पढ़ते हैं ना अभी, इट्स क्रिएटेड बाय मेंडलीव, है ना. तो हर बार क्या होता है, कोई नया साइंटिस्ट आता है, कुछ नई चीज कर देता है, बिकॉज दे it's not that deliberately making mistake. They are making mistake because of two reasons. One is they have imperfect senses and they are always in illusion. Except for one person, Rajnikant. He got a question paper. It had 150 questions and it says, attempt any 100. You know what Rajnikant did? He attempted all 150 and said, correct any 100. Check any 100. So because हमारे imperfect senses हैं, we are in illusion, we commit mistake, but हमारी false ego इतनी strong है, we don't want to accept that mistake, and that's why we do cheating propensity. So हमारी weakness क्या है? Simple white lies. दोस्त ने बोला कहाँ है? अरे बस तेरे घर के बाजू में हूँ, हाथ दिख रहा है मेरा, घर से नहीं निकला वो, है ना. वो बोल रहा है कहाँ पहुंचा? अरे मैं पहुंचने वाला हूँ तेरे. White lie, it's a white lie, nothing wrong with it, but from simple white lie to financial frauds to violent crimes all come from this propensity of human beings, which is called cheating propensity. कोई बोलेगा ना कि नहीं मेरे में नहीं है ये. So if someone says I don't have it, they probably don't know themselves, because this is inherent. This propensity is inherent there. अगर ये propensity नहीं है, that means you don't have false ego. If you don't have false ego, you won't have this body. So if you think you don't have it, maybe you don't say very visible simple white lies would be different.
Remember what you said at this
But एक second. After this, yeah. For example, so जैसे for example there are, अभी हम लोग आगे पढ़ेंगे, there is आप लोगों ने have you heard of Cambrian explosion? Oh no, Cambrian explosion. Okay, so what happened is Darwin ने क्या बोला? Darwin ने बोला 40,000 years ago humans, monkeys में से transform हुए humans में 40,000 years ago, ठीक है. और उससे पहले फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द इवोल्यूशन से लेके मंकी की जर्नी तक we came from little bacteria, one single cell organism से लेके complex molecules आए, फिर ऐसे से आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते पहले sea animals आए, फिर land वाले आए, उसके बाद monkeys आए, monkeys से हम लोग बन के humans आए. But there is a theory now, it is proven now, it's called Cambrian explosion. It said 530 million years ago, there is lot of these animals that Darwin thinks that they didn't exist at that time. They found their fossils. Kitna purana? 530 million years purana. And if you type it in, there is this guy who wrote a book on 101 reasons why Darwin was a fool. And actually, a lot of scientific journals have published that some of those things from there. Now, this is why, because now we don't want to accept that we made mistake. आप लोग कभी भी देखो बच्चों के स्कूल के सिलेबस में अभी भी वही है. But if you really go and ask the scientific community, they actually don't believe in Darwin's theory anymore. But they don't want to, because some of these people get a lot of grants and stuff, and they have false ego. They don't want to do anything. I spoke to you about Dr. Michael Cremo and Dr. Richard Thompson. क्या हुआ? They wrote a book called Forbidden Archaeology. Na? So 1913 में एक प्रोफेसर था, उसका नाम था हैंस रेक, बर्लिन यूनिवर्सिटी का. He found a human skeleton, उसका in Tanzania. Human skeleton था 1.15 million years old, है ना? अब वो तो कह रहा है 40,000 years की हमारा ह्यूमन स्केलेटन, हम तो ह्यूमंस बने ही 40,000 years पहले हैं, तो फिर 1.1 million years ago क्या था? फिर in Italy they have found a 4 million year old skeleton of human being. And एक और चीज है, if you can Google all of this, none of these things are created by my own brain, है ना? It's actually they have, और ऐसा भी नहीं है गूगल में जो होते हैं ना कुछ भी लिख देते हैं, वो वाले नहीं है. These are actually scientific journals जहाँ से निकला है ना. So they found a metallic sphere, आयरन का स्फीयर है. आप सोचो मेटलर्जी और ये जो होता है ना आयरन एक्सट्रैक्शन, ये कब, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्टाफ, इट हैपेंड व्हाट अराउंड 200-300 maybe 600 years ago. बट यहाँ no actually 1000 years ago. बट यहाँ पर क्या है, 2.8 billion year old एक स्फीयर मिला है, उसके ऊपर एक जैसे वो होती है ना इक्वेटर बनी हुई है उस पर ऐसे ग्रूव करके. एंड डेफिनेटली दे नो दैट इट इज अराउंड 2.8 billion year old, है ना. सो दीज आर द एविडेंसेस जिससे पता चलता है डार्विन की थ्योरी वाज एब्सोल्युटली रबिश. फिर हम लोग चीटिंग पे आते हैं, जैसे मैंने बोला ना, वी डू चीटिंग पे. देयर इज आई डोंट नो वेदर यू हैड दिस, there is a documentary called Missing Link. Have you heard of it? Missing Link, है ना. Missing Link is, तो क्या हुआ कि डार्विन की थ्योरी ना सारे फॉसिल्स जो मिल रहे थे उससे प्रूव हो रही थी कि इट इज गुड. अरे हरे कृष्णा प्रभु, आप कब आए इंडिया से? अरे वेरी नाइस, वेलकम. सो तो क्या हुआ कि वो कहता है कि 40,000 साल पहले हम मंकी थे, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे मंकी से ह्यूमन का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होमोसेपियंस बने ना. तो लेकिन क्या होता, पूरे स्ट्रक्चर में जो उसने दी थी सारी की सारी, उसमें एक लिंक नहीं था. दैट मीन्स एक जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है एक मंकी से होमोसेपियंस के बीच का एक पार्टीशन मिसिंग था, उसका कोई फॉसिल मिला ही नहीं. तो उसमें क्या था, उसका जॉ लाइन होती है डिफरेंट थी. तो क्या हुआ, दिस गाय, आई फॉरगॉट हिज नेम, he actually found a skull that matched exactly the way Darwin wrote. So that was called missing link, है ना. अब वो क्या हुआ, मिसिंग लिंक उन्होंने करा and they put it in a exhibition, like you know, एक उसमें रख दिया exhibition में. 40 years later, it's called Piltdown Man. So the 40 years later they found out it was the guy who presented it. उसने कोई भी ह्यूमन स्केलेटन लेके उसका वो होता है ना आरी से काट के उसका जॉ लाइन चेंज कर दिया था घिस घिस के. So it was a fake. So that propensity to cheat, you know, propensity to cheat. और ये क्यों आया? Because you know Charles Darwin का that guy became famous because he found the missing link. So there are many cases like this, you know. एंड उससे क्या पता चलता है कि we actually are, and we need to make sure that people are accountable for this. You know, if you are not accountable for this, what does that mean? That means if one person get away with the mistake, what happens? He will do another one. You know, कहते ना जो जब तक आप पकड़े नहीं जाओ तब तक चोर नहीं होते. Somebody says that. That's absolutely rubbish. चोर का मतलब क्या होता है? You've done some चोरी. It doesn't mean पकड़ा जाता है उसको तो कैदी बोलते हैं. चोर नहीं होता, उसको बोलते हैं कैदी. चोर means the day you steal something, and if you get a call from a police station, what are the two reasons? One is either somebody has complained about you, or you have complained about someone and they are giving you a report. So when Rajnikant calls, there is no decline button. so you either you answer or you answer. You know?
Is that how Rajnikant?
Yes, beta. You one day you would know, and once you know him, you never want to leave him. All right, 3 defects of speculation. So हम लोगों ने 4 limitation पढ़ी, scientific observation की क्या थी? What was the 4 limitation? What was the first one? Imperfect senses. Second, illusion. Third, commit mistake. And fourth, cheating propensity. Now ये तो क्या था? प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण की problem थी. अब जो अनुमान प्रमाण है, which is तुक्का, there are 3 defects on that as well. What are the 3 defects? It is a guesswork. ठीक है, पहली चीज है guesswork, and there are some diagnostic errors and partial truth. So for एक बार क्या हुआ, एक postman, he was about to knock a door. उसके पास लेटर था, अंदर से आवाज आ रही थी, अरे क्या करना है? तो उसने बोला गला काटते हैं. बोले नहीं हाथ काटते पहले. बोले नहीं पहले गला काटते हैं. They were like fighting inside, they were arguing. ये पोस्टमैन को डर लगा, उसने फटाफट पुलिस को फोन करा. पुलिस आई तो दरवाजा खोल के देखा तो 2 दर्जी थे. They were talking to each other. पहले गला, you wouldn't probably understand. Darji is what do you call it? Tailor. So should I cut the neck? That means piece of the cloth where the neck is, or should I cut the hands? So this is called guesswork. Guesswork में problem क्या होती है कि we are not really doing any scientific research. This scientist, what he did is, एक टेबल, बहुत लंबी टेबल थी मेटल की, तो उसने वहां पर एक कॉकरोच को रखा और यहाँ पर ना टैप करने लग गया धीरे धीरे से. तो कॉकरोच ना जब उसने वाइब्रेशन सुनी तो इस तरफ आया. फिर क्या करा उसने, उस कॉकरोच का एक टांग तोड़ दी, उसको वापस रखा, वापस टैप करा तो फिर भी वो आया. फिर उसने तीसरी टांग छोड़ी, ऐसे चौथी और 5वीं, और जब उसने सारी टांगे तोड़ दी तो हिला ही नहीं. वो टैप कर रहा था, हिला ही नहीं. तो उसने क्या लिखा कि I conclude that as soon as you break cockroach all the legs, he can't hear. You know? So that's called guesswork, you know, and that's called diagnostic error as well. You know, it's not just guesswork; it's diagnostic error as well. एक बार एक आदमी लंगड़ाता हुआ चल के आ रहा था ना. So there was an orthopedic surgeon was there, ठीक है, and there was a person who was neurosurgeon was there, orthopedic surgeon was there. They were both discussing कि आदमी लंगड़ा के चल रहा है. Can you guess what the problem is? So पहला बोलता है कि I think he's got a problem with his nerves. You know, जो neurosurgeon था कहता है उसकी कोई nerves क्योंकि the way he's limping ना, there's a problem. Orthopedic surgeon कहता है नहीं, इसकी जो calf muscle के नीचे वाली जो बोन होती है ना, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ छोटा hairline fracture है, वरना ऐसे नहीं चल रहा होता. फिर उसने बोला ये भी हो सकता है पोलियो है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है, मोस्ट लाइकली यही है ना. फिर वो आता है पास में, उसको पूछता है क्या हुआ भाई साहब, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मेरी चप्पल टूटी हुई है ना. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड guesswork and diagnostic errors. Now the last one is a partial truth. Partial truth is very easy to understand. For example, have you heard of that 6 blind people touching an elephant? है ना. So जो उसके पैर को पकड़ के खड़ा था, he was saying that it's like a elephant is like a pillar. जो उसकी पूंछ पकड़ा था बोले elephant is like a rope, है ना. And जो उसकी सूंड पकड़ के खड़ा था, he's like a snake, big snake, है ना. However, but were they wrong? Like they were all wrong. But अगर उनकी सारी चीजों को मिला लिया जाए, they know the partial truth, क्योंकि उन्होंने एक साइड ही पकड़ रखा था. So defects of speculation is guesswork, diagnostic errors and partial truth. Now तो हमारे पास थर्ड क्या बचा? शब्द प्रमाण, which is called सुपीरियर अथॉरिटी विच इज एसएस, है ना. सो सुपीरियर अथॉरिटी, अब इन दोनों की तो प्रॉब्लम है, शब्द प्रमाण की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसके एडवांटेजेस हैं दो. क्या एडवांटेजेस हैं? इट गिव्स यू अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. फॉर एग्जांपल जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आई रिमेंबर 2003 में जब मैं आया था, आई वाज इन सिटी, तो मुझे आई वांटेड टू गो टू RMIT. So somebody told me, Flinders Street से, somebody told me keep walking straight. First you will find Flinders Lane, then you will find Collins Street, then Little Collins Street, then Lonsdale Street, then Little Lonsdale Street, ऐसे ऐसे करके ना, Burke Street, sorry, ऐसे आएगा, and then once you get to La Trobe Street, there is the RMIT, है ना. मैंने कहा okay, so I wrote it down, so मैं चल रहा हूँ, है ना. I didn't have GPS at that time, उस समय था नहीं, so मैं walk कर रहा हूँ, and then I saw Flinders Lane. मैंने कहा हाँ, the guy was right. फिर मैंने देखा next आई, अच्छा बिल्कुल सही, Flinders Lane के बाद Collins Street आ गया. Oh, and then I walked and said, oh, Little Collins. I realized, oh my, उसके बाद क्या करा, मैंने वो नोट जेब में रख लिया, क्योंकि I was 100% convinced. कैसे? Because of starting point. मुझे एक starting point मिल गया, और जैसे जैसे मेरे को कंफर्मेशन मिलता रहा कि वो बंदा ही न्यू व्हाट ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट, तो मेरे को समझ में आ गया उसने मुझे जो दिया रास्ता वो सही है. एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड शब्द प्रमाण. सपोज मैं वहां पर बैठ के, सपोज इफ आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग, इफ आई एम स्टैंडिंग देयर, अगर मैं वो लगाऊं, प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण लगाऊं, प्रत्यक्ष तो मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है कहां पर RMIT, आई कांट सी एनी बोर्ड. अनुमान लगाऊं तो किसी भी डायरेक्शन में मैं जा सकता हूं, सिटी में है मुझे पता है ना. So those things won't work. What will work is शब्द प्रमाण. If I have a GPS, I put in the GPS and I follow GPS. Simple. ठीक है? So शब्द प्रमाण is like GPS. है ना? For example, if I have to find out who is the father of एक बच्चा है, उसके father के बारे में मुझे जानना है. What is the best thing I can do? What is the easiest thing I can do? Who should I ask कि उसका father कौन है? हाँ? बच्चे की माँ से. Yes. What else we can do? DNA report. Yes. Who said DNA? Yeah, DNA report. True. Which is true. You can do DNA report. Yeah. But if you think, for example, even if you do 10% of the total population, if you think, okay, इसके father होंगे maybe between 20 to 40 years old, so there are around, it will take you 80 years to do everyone's DNA test to find out who is the father. So what is the easiest thing to do? Excellent. What is the easiest thing to do is go and ask the mother, who is the father? And they'll say, okay, this is the father. That's it. So this is called Shabda Praman. It actually saves us energy, you know. So now, जब हम बात करते हैं, ये इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Spiritual authority. This is called spiritual authority. जो हम शब्द प्रमाण है, which is spiritual authority. अब कोई बोलेगा कि spiritual authority कहाँ से आ रही है? गुरु से तो आ रही है. Somebody is guru. Guru is who? Human being है ना? So can a spiritual authority have defect? This could be a question. ठीक है? तो हमारी जो नॉलेज है हमारे शास्त्रों में, जो स्क्रिप्चुरल जो नॉर्मल नॉलेज होती है उसको कहते हैं पौरुषिया. पुरुष को क्या मतलब होता है? मैन, ह्यूमन बीइंग, है ना. सो हमारे शास्त्रों को बोला गया है अपौरुषिया. व्हाट डज दैट मीन? नॉट ह्यूमन, इट्स एक्चुअली डिवाइन, है ना. सो इन संस्कृत द प्रीफिक्स, सो इट इज बिकॉज वो स्पिरिचुअल है, ह्यूमन नहीं है, तो उसमें वो 4 डिफेक्ट्स नहीं है. What are the 4 defects again? What was the first defect? Imperfect senses, illusion, commit mistakes and cheating. So ये किसमें डिफेक्ट होते हैं? पुरुष में होते हैं. लेकिन हमारे शास्त्र क्या है? ये अपौरुष है. वो कहां से आएगा वो भी हम पढ़ेंगे ना. फिफ्थ जो चैप्टर हम पढ़ेंगे उसमें पूरा का पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन आएगा. लेकिन तो क्या होता है कि ये scriptures हैं, they are not coming through imperfect senses. Nobody has written it down through their senses, है ना. So हमारे जो गुरु हैं, जो भी हम लोगों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, they have got this knowledge from who? From their guru. इसको कहते हैं परंपरा, है ना. इसको कहते हैं गुरु परंपरा. जैसे आपने देखा होगा ना, इंडिया में कई बार वो लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं, उधर से ईंट पकड़ाते जाते हैं. there is a train rail of this thing and ईंट ऊपर से आती है नीचे तक पहुंच जाती है, नीचे से आती है ऊपर पहुंच जाती है ना. So this is how. So if a person like a guru, like a postman क्या करता है? What is the job of a postman? Get the parcel from a post office and deliver to you, or vice versa, whatever it is, you know. Postman डज नॉट, अगर वो पोस्टमैन उसको हैम्पर नहीं करेगा तो जो पार्सल आपका आया है वो ऐसा कैसा आएगा? बट देयर आर सम पीपल हु टेम्पर इट, you know, and I'm not going to say it on the camera, but there are so many people in India and abroad, they completely deteriorate हमारा जो पूरा scripture है ना, scriptures उसको क्या करते हैं, वो add कर देंगे, subtract कर देंगे. Then that's not the parcel that's coming from the Lord. Lord has given a parcel. You got to be a postman. So हमारे जो गुरु हैं, they're like postman. They actually bring in. So the next question that comes is, how can our imperfect material senses gather perfect spiritual knowledge? दूसरा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, अब हमारी जो है सेंसेस वो मटेरियल है, अब नॉलेज स्पिरिचुअल है, कैसे, हाउ वुड बी कंपैटिबल? तो आपने देखा होगा ना, व्हेन यू पुट आयरन रॉड को अगर आप आग में डाल दो बहुत टाइम तक, व्हाट हैपेंस? इट बिकम्स रेड, इट बिकम्स लाइक इट विल स्टार्ट एक्टिंग लाइक ए फायर. सो दैट आयरन रॉड बिकम्स फायर बिकॉज इट इज इन टच ऑफ फायर. Similarly, when we are in touch with the spiritual knowledge, our material senses जो होती है, they get purified. Our material senses get purified and we can understand it better. हमारी हैं imperfect senses, हम लोग 100% उसको नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं, but still it keep getting purified, है ना? Eventually, one day, the divine knowledge and awareness will manifest and matures in one's heart, and then we will know who God is. There is a verse. I don't have, मेरे पास slide नहीं है, but are you happy to recite behind me? Yes. All right. तेषां सतति युक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धि योगं तं येन मामुपि यान्ति ते. भगवान कहते हैं जो सतत मीन्स कंटिन्यूसली, है ना, युक्ता नाम भजताम प्रीति, जो मुझे भजता है प्रीतिपूर्वक, कॉन्स्टेंटली, कंटिन्यूसली, ददामी बुद्धि, मैं उनको क्या देता हूं? बुद्धि. ये नमाम उप्यांति, सो दैट दे कैन कम क्लोजर टू मी. सो व्हेन यू रीड स्क्रिप्चर्स, आपको पता है देयर इज ए विमान शास्त्र. हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ विमान शास्त्र? आपको पता है नासा में देयर आर 2 पोस्ट्स only reserved for people who understand Sanskrit. Sanskrit scholars. There are 2, वो होते हैं ना, क्या बोलते हैं, 2 जॉब है जो उनको मिलती है जो सिर्फ संस्कृत जानते हैं. All they do is, हमारे जो विमान शास्त्र है ना, they are deciphering it. But the problem is, हमारे विमान शास्त्र में जो चीज लिखी है, it is such an encrypted thing. You need to qualify to be able to understand it. कहते हैं ना कि with more power, with exceptional power comes exceptional responsibility, है ना? So जो responsible नहीं है, they will not be able to decipher that. संस्कृत आप समझ सकते हो, but what are you using? You using your material senses, but you are not trying to connect with God. You're just trying to decipher it so that you can make more money. तो क्या होगा? You won't be able to decipher it correctly. So when I say आग में लोहे को डालने से वो आग बन जाता है, that depends on कि आप किस तरीके से, लोहा ऐसा है जो आपने आग के पास में रख दिया है, आग में पूरा घुस गया है. The person who goes deep into scriptures trying to understand with love and devotion, ददामि बुद्धि योगम तम, भगवान क्या करते हैं? उनको बुद्धि योग देते हैं. एंड सो फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, कैन आई डायरेक्टली अप्रोच गॉड? अब ठीक है, कई लोग बोलते हैं ना, मुझे नहीं चाहिए गुरु, कैन आई डायरेक्टली अप्रोच गॉड? आप सोचो कि there is a possibility that you can directly get God, but it is not easy. For example, somebody wants to say, I will only read theory of relativity if Einstein मुझे पढ़ाएगा तो, है ना? Otherwise I would not read it. I would not accept it. I want Einstein to come and tell me. Now, जब आइंस्टाइन जिंदा था तब भी कोई नहीं बोल सकता था ये, because आइंस्टाइन को वो थोड़े है कि if you're not qualified, then he won't come and teach you. The proof of its authenticity is that we get the same result as Einstein got. अगर आप theory of relativity का experiment कर रहे हो, if you're getting the same result as Einstein, that means you're studying under Einstein. It doesn't necessarily have to have Einstein in front of you. So when we approach God for spiritual knowledge, we need to have some sort of guide. If we don't have guide, we cannot, So अभी क्या होता है कि कई लोग बोलते हैं ना कि किसी को भी गुरु बना लो. Somebody, one of the guy at work मेरे को बोलता, we just hired him couple of 3 months ago, ना, we hired him 3 months ago. मुझे बोलता है कि I want to, क्या बोल रहा था वो, he was saying, हाँ, वो कहता है कि मेरे को I don't believe in God, but the problem is I don't want to believe in God. ऐसे बोला उसने मुझे. मैंने कहा ठीक है, if you don't want to believe in God, why do you want to believe in God? तो मुझे कहता है because I don't have faith. मैंने कहा you have faith? बोलता no I don't. तो हमारी बहस हो गई. उसने कहा मेरे को faith नहीं है. मैंने कहा है तेरे में faith. You need a lot of faith to reject Lord. You probably need less faith to accept God. अभी हम लोगों ने इतने सारे एग्जाम्पल देखे हैं. If there is a 1000 bats in this room, they won't collide with each other. जबकि उनकी आंखें नहीं हैं. They are sending a signal, receiving a signal. उससे उनको पता चलता है obstacle है कि नहीं है, and they change their course. But सारे के सारे चमगादड़ सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी डाल रहे हैं. एक दूसरे की फ्रीक्वेंसी दूसरों को सुनाई नहीं दे रही है. Because every bat has a different frequency. कितने बैट्स हैं वर्ल्ड में? Trillions, billions of bats. सबकी फ्रीक्वेंसी अलग है. And if you think that you are smarter than the person who created this kind of cosmos, then obviously, you have to have an exceptional faith कि मेरे को भगवान को नहीं मानना है, वरना it's hard. Some people say is God fake propaganda. होता ना ये. Actually, there are so many innumerable literature and teaching saints from all the tradition who have seen and realized God. ठीक है, आप कोई बोलेगा कि यार ब्रेन वॉश भी तो करा हो सकता है, भगवान सब लोगों ने ब्रेन वॉश करा है. The difference between blind faith and genuine faith is that reasons why we can put faith in the Vedas. अब हम लोग क्या डिस्कस करेंगे? I'm going to try and finish this in next 10 minutes ताकि I can have some questions. Is accepting scriptures blind faith, or we need to find the proof of Vedas? So, how can we build faith? There are the acronym is HOPES. How do we build faith? Hearing, observing, practicing, experiencing, and sharing. These are the ways we can actually build faith. Suppose a teenager, he's got a lot of pimples, He goes to, and his friend goes, oh, you know what? I use this cream. I use this cream. If you use it, you might, pimples will go away. उसने क्या करा? उसने सुना पहले, फिर उसने देखा हाँ यार इस लड़के के pimples गायब हो गए. Then what he did is, he took the cream and started applying, and then he started experiencing it. And then now he has faith. Now what he will do is he starts sharing it. So this is how we build faith. अब आप सोचो, not everyone who is wearing a white coat is a doctor. अगर हम हर white coat वाले को डॉक्टर बोलेंगे, that's called blind faith, है ना? अब scriptures wrong है ये बोलना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप बोलो scriptures wrong है, but do some research. आप ऐसे तो बोल नहीं सकते. like मैंने बोला था ना, if I ask you to write speak about, what was it? Theory of relativity. Nobody can speak for 1 hour, है ना? क्योंकि हमारे पास इतनी नॉलेज नहीं है. बट अगर हम बोलें कि speak about God, पूरे दिन बुला लो, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. Because we think we know God. We haven't read any scriptures, but we know God, है ना? So what is blind faith and reasonable faith? एक बार क्या हुआ, एक hairdresser was cutting a hair of this guy, and he told him, he was saying, अरे कृष्णा, ऐसे कुछ बोला वो उसने उबासी लेते हुए. तो उसने बोला, अरे भगवान को मानते हो तुम? बोले हाँ. बोले मैं तो नहीं मानता. क्यों नहीं मानते? तो वही क्वेश्चन जो हम लोगों ने स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ा था ना, क्लास के स्टार्टिंग में, कि यार there are so many miserable people in the world. If God is there, how is this misery in the world? So ये बंदा कुछ नहीं बोलता. अच्छा ओके, हेयर कट करा के बाहर जाता है, and he saw this beggar. उसके इतनी बड़ी बड़ी दाढ़ी, बड़े बड़े बाल. So he comes back into the barber shop and says, hey, there are no barbers in this universe. He said, what do you mean? I'm a barber, I cut your hair. No. Come, I'll show you. Look at that man. He's got big beard and big hair, long hair. That means there's no barber. I said, no, I am here. I said, no, I don't believe you. He said, why? Because you just told me there are a lot of problems in the world. There are a lot of problems. Because there are problems, there is no God. प्रॉब्लम तो यहाँ पर भी है. योर जॉब इज टू कट हेयर. ये बंदा कैसे बैठा है जिसकी बड़ी बड़ी दाढ़ी है? दैट मीन्स देयर इज नो बार्बर. देन ही अंडरस्टूड कि देयर इज समथिंग दैट इज इन देयर. आई थिंक जब मैं there is I went for a debate in Collins Street में कौन सा है वो town hall में there was a debate happening on veganism and उस पे ना is meat eating okay or not okay ना. I went there and I attended that beautiful 4 hour debate between a lot of people from this side and that side. They were on the stage and they presented. At the end of the day, they did a survey. 90% of the people who were attending the thing, they actually decided they're not going to have meat after listening to those arguments. आप लोगों में इसको interested है तो let me know. There is उसका पूरा video है उसमें online. Anyway, so in that lecture, this guy actually gave an amazing thing because they were talking about God. They gave an example of God. What was it? एक बार there was a philosophy lecturer. He told the kids, say, hey, how many of you believe in God? So 2-3 लोगों ने हाथ खड़ा करा. तो उसने बोला कि yeah, I know. तो उसने बोला God created everything? Yes, God created everything. So the creator is usually similar to what he creates? Yes, क्योंकि God has made us in his own image है ना, हम लोगों को पता है. So ठीक है, उसने बोला yes. So if that means there is evil in the world? Yes. That means God created evil? Yes. So by definition what is? God is evil. है ना? So वो student जिसने हाथ खड़ा करा था वो चुपचाप बैठ गया. He didn't know what to say. Another student who raised his hand, he got up. He said, Professor, can I ask you a question? He said yes. He said, Professor, does cold exist? Cold. He says, yes, cold exists. Because no, Professor, you're wrong. Cold does not exist. Cold is, if you think about it, आप लोगों में से science, do you know what absolute zero means? Absolute zero is जहाँ पर सारी की सारी activity, molecular activity, intramolecular activity, not intramolecular, molecular activity zero हो जाती है. It's minus 460 degree Fahrenheit पे all the activity, material activity stops because it's so cold. So कहता है कि actually cold does not exist. Cold is actually a measure of कितनी कम है उसमें heat. We can only measure heat. जिसमें जितनी कम heat होगी वो उतना ठंडा होगा. So there is actually no heat. And then he gave another example which was really amazing. He says, do you think darkness exists? Darkness does not exist. He says, yeah, darkness exists. He said, no, darkness doesn't exist. What exists is light. Absence of light is darkness. What does that mean? Scientifically, there is actually no measurement of darkness. Like, अभी जो bulb है ना, इसका 500 lumens करके इसका वो है, light है. There is no measure for darkness. You cannot measure darkness. Darkness is not measurable. Darkness does not exist. Darkness is what? Absence of light. So, you know what he said? He said that all matter become inert and incapable of reacting at the temperature. So, cold does not exist. We have created this word to describe how we feel when we have no heat. When it's zero heat, then it goes to minus 460 degree Fahrenheit. And then, when he was talking about darkness, he says that he says, light we can study, but we cannot study darkness. In fact, Newton's prism, light ko, if you go through a prism, usme se you can divide the light into 7 colors or multicolors, but you cannot do this for darkness. You cannot measure darkness. A simple ray of light can break into the world of darkness and illuminate it. You measure the amount of light present. Isn't that correct? Professor said yes. So the darkness is a term used by man to describe what happens when there is no light present. So then he asked the question to the teacher. He goes, teacher, does evil exist? And he goes, yes, evil exists. We discussed this before. He said, no. Evil does not exist, or at least it does not exist unto itself, because evil is simply the absence of God. It is just like darkness and cold, a word that man has created to describe the absence of God. God did not create evil. Evil is the result of what happens when a man does not have God's love present in his heart. It is like the cold that comes when there is no heat, or the darkness that comes when there is no light. You know what happened? Professor sat down. He had nothing to say. It's 8:33. I've got a few more slides, but we'll do it next week. We have to. Anybody has any questions so far? Very good, very good. All right, anybody has any questions, any comment, anything anybody wants to share? You have few minutes. Prabhu, Mike, over there, Mike.
If dark doesn't exist, then what's dark matter?
What is dark matter?
If dark doesn't exist.
Yeah. Huh? Thought. Dark. You talking about dark matter, yeah? Dark matter is actually not dark. Dark matter is something is unknown. If you read about dark matter is actually thing. Some people call it antimatter. There is matter and there is antimatter. So there is matter and there is dark matter. So dark matter is actually not, they're not talking about that it's dark, dark matter is something which is unknown. You know? Dark matter exists, but dark matter does not mean that it doesn't have light. Absence of light is called darkness, you know. But that is different to what you're asking right now. Yeah. But thank you for asking that question. Anybody else? Yes, over there.
It's not my question.
No, Mike.
It's actually not my question, it's my daughter's question.
Yeah, please ask.
She's trying to ask what you exactly mean when you say darkness is absence of light, while darkness, as per her, she feels darkness does exist. She's just 7-year-old, by the way.
That's fine. So, in order for something to exist, we need to be able to measure it. We need to be able to measure it. You cannot measure darkness. Jैसे light I can measure 2000 luminous, 3000 lumens, 5000 lumens, but darkness की कोई unit नहीं है. So it's actually immeasurable, not because we can't measure it, because we don't need to measure it. Suppose जैसे I will say how much is my height. I won't say how much is not my height. Anything other than my 5'11" is not my height. So we don't ask that question, because what we need to worry about is what can I measure right now. So it's existence and not existence का जो concept है वो बच्चे के लिए obviously समझना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, but this is a kind of an example. It is easier for us to understand. Some people claim that God नहीं है क्योंकि इस सब जगह problems हैं. Problem भगवान में नहीं है. Problem ये है कि we are not actually we are looking at the wrong thing at the right place and right thing at the wrong place. एक बार क्या हुआ, मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन was looking बाहर street light में, he was looking for something, ढूंढ रहा था, बहुत बुरी तरीके से ढूंढ रहा था. This man came and said, मुल्ला जी क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? बोले यार चाबी खो गई है. बोले अच्छा ठीक है, मैं भी हेल्प कराता हूँ. कैसी थी? उसने बोला गोल्डन कलर का उसमें की चेन था. उसने ढूंढना शुरू करा, बहुत देर हो गई, नहीं मिला. उसने बोला मुल्ला जी कहाँ गिरी थी, आपको उस तरफ गिरी थी कि इधर गिरी थी? बोले नहीं, वो तो घर में गिरी थी. तो बोले यहाँ क्यों ढूंढ रहे हो? बोले घर में लाइट चली गई ना, तो यहाँ पर लाइट नहीं, तो यहाँ पर ढूंढ रहा हूँ. And this is like, we are laughing at that, but we are all doing the same thing. We are looking for happiness where we haven't lost the happiness. We are looking for happiness in this world. We haven't lost the happiness here. We lost the happiness in spiritual world. We are looking at the wrong place for the right thing. We will never find it. So what we need to do is we need to actually get the best out of the bad bargain. And that's why when we understand this concept, आप लोगों में से मेरे को पता है सब लोग भगवान पे विश्वास करते हो, फिर भी हम लोग ये क्लासेस कर रहे हैं because I want you to stay like this. क्योंकि मेरे को पता है future में you will find people who will come and tell you God doesn't exist. Then you can tell them this example that I'm telling you. If someone say I don't believe in God, he said if you don't believe in there is no creator of God, everything came from Big Bang, you can share some of the examples. अगर आपके पास ये सारे concept नहीं होंगे, there is a chance, 50% chance that you will start not believing in God. Okay? Anyone else? Yes, Mike. Who's got the mic? Yes, bro.
मेरा question is my question is about I'm reading Bhagavad Gita. उसमें भगवान अपने बारे में बताते हैं कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या हूँ. I'm just going to ask कि why there is so much specification in that कि उन्होंने अपने बारे में इतना specifically क्यों बताया, जबकि हम बहुत इजीली कोई भी कह सकता है they exist in everything. Why there is a specificity?
Good question, very good question. Actually, भगवान को इतने स्पेसिफिकेशन इसलिए देने पड़े because there are a lot of different kind of people. सबकी everybody understands things differently. Everybody grasps things differently. जैसे अभी मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ ना, तो I know there are some of you guys they are about to fall asleep because there was only one video and not many jokes, you know. But there are some people who are very जैसे मेरा बेटा है because he is very उसको सुनने में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, उसको visual दिखाओ, he is likes it, but he is very concentrates really well because he loves listening to podcast or things like that. He is only 7 years old. उसकी सारी जो सुनता है stories वगैरह is on podcast. So people are different. So God actually caters for every single person. आपको पता है there are some Mayavadis who think that they are God, and one day they will understand it, and then they will merge with the Supreme. So God has to give them specificity, so for them to understand, you know what? अगर आपको ऐसा समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो ऐसा समझो. जैसे आज मैंने जो वो एग्जाम्पल दिया था, कॉकरोच वाला एग्जाम्पल दिया, फिर मैंने वो लंगड़ा के चल रहा था वो वाला एग्जाम्पल दिया, है ना, अनुमान, और यहाँ पर प्रभु को बिठा के वो एग्जाम्पल दिया. Why did I give so many example? मेरे को बस ये बोल देना चाहिए था, अनुमान प्रमाण is तुक्का लगाना, it doesn't work. You know, जो शास्त्र है वो पढ़ो and you'll be fine. I gave examples because different people learn differently, different people grasp things differently, and different people have different propensity to attach to something. So what Krishna says, I am Om. Someone like, oh yeah, I do Om every day. I know Krishna. So what happens is suddenly he gets this devotional credit because he is now on the path of devotion. And when Krishna says, I am the sun, about all the luminaries. आपको पता है, the luminaries, there are some luminaries which are bigger than sun. हमारे solar system में. But Krishna is saying, I'm Surya. Why? Because Surya, he is actually not Surya, but he said, I'm Surya because some people worship Surya Dev. क्योंकि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. That means the only God there's one person who told me the only God I believe in is sun because I can see them. So for him, he will connect to Krishna. Then Krishna goes, you know, Kalosmi, I am time, you know. So some people can relate to that. Some Krishna says, I am the taste of water. So all of these things are there for us, all of us, to somehow Krishna niveshya. Somehow or other we can have this devotional credit, we will connect to Krishna. Because he is Supreme Father, he will try and connect with us on our level. So होता क्या है, a father will connect with different boys से अलग, और जिसके पास बेटा और बेटी दोनों है, you know that you deal with your beta differently than your बेटी, you know, because you want to connect with them the way they want to connect. Similarly with us. So that's why Krishna has to become so specific that even if for any way, any shape or form, किसी भी तरीके से, if this person gets connected to me, it will be easier. उसकी जर्नी थोड़ी सी आसान हो जाएगी. Does it make sense?
It does. Just एक और पॉइंट, जैसे कृष्ण उसमें अपने बारे में बताते हैं, तो एक बहुत पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट है कि मैं बलवानों में बलवान हूँ, बल हूँ, लेकिन वो बल नहीं, सिर्फ वो बल जो आसक्ति रहित बल हूँ. तो वो इतना स्पेसिफिक जो हो रहे हैं वो थोड़ा सा
वो इसलिए हो रहे हैं क्योंकि कोई बोलेगा मैं बल हूँ, you know, somebody will say, oh, that means I should go and, you know, I should be a fan of rock, you know, the rock, because he is powerful, so I should worship him as well. Krishna says, no, I am that bal which is devoid of all sense gratification, you know? Because otherwise what will happen is we will start taking Krishna's word, destroy it and start following. But हमारा जैसे कई बार क्या हुआ, मेरे पास एक बंदा आया, बोलता है प्रभु एक बात बताओ, मेरे को ना बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है और मेरे से चाय नहीं छूट रही है, चाय और कॉफी नहीं छूट रही है. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं प्रभु, that's okay, कोशिश करते रहो, छूट जाएगी. And he was so happy. And then he told me, he spoke to 20 other people. Everybody said, no, you have to leave it, you have to leave it. So he kept asking until he get what he wanted. So that's not knowledge, you know. What he was doing is, he was trying to satisfy his senses. And he was, वो सारा पर्चा किसके नाम पे पड़ेगा? मेरे नाम पे. ब्रजेश प्रभु ने बोला था, पीते रहो चाय. You know what I mean? So that's why Krishna becomes so specific, because he wants everybody to know कि this is, you know, I'm telling you who I am and I'm telling you who I am not as well, you know, क्योंकि मैंने बोला कि मैं बल हूँ, लेकिन मैं वो वाला बल नहीं हूँ जो तुम्हें दिखता है. I'm talking about a bal which is nothing to do with sense gratification. Yeah? Right. Anybody else? Yes, at the back over there. Yeah, Mike, please, bro. उधर पीछे, bro. इधर, this way.
प्रभु, भगवान में विश्वास और भगवान में श्रद्धा में क्या फर्क है?
Oh, beautiful question. श्रद्धा is actually, विश्वास क्या होता है? आपकी जो श्रद्धा होती है ना, श्रद्धा will lead to विश्वास. I'll tell you how. For example, मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया था ना, were you there when I gave an example कि मैं सिटी में था, I asked them where the RMIT University is. Okay, so I asked someone, tell me where the RMIT University is. उसने मुझे लिख के दिया कि you go इधर, आगे लिटिल कॉलिन आएगा, फ्लिंडर्स लेन आएगा, लिटिल कॉलिन आएगा, कॉलिन लिटिल कॉलिन, ऐसे बताया उसने. So I had मैंने उसको क्यों पूछा, मुझे लगा कि he is from Melbourne. ये मेरी क्या थी? श्रद्धा थी. मेरा विश्वास नहीं था, मेरी श्रद्धा थी. तो मैंने उसको पूछा, are you from here? उसने बोला हाँ. मैंने उसको पूछा, can you tell me where this university RMIT is? उसने मुझे लिख के दे दिया, बता दिया ऐसे जाना है. Then मेरा जो विश्वास उस पे कब बना? When my श्रद्धा became stronger and stronger. As soon as मैंने उसने मुझे बोला था next तेरे पास फ्लिंडर्स लेन आएगा. When I saw the sign फ्लिंडर्स लेन, मेरा उस पे विश्वास बढ़ गया. मेरी जो श्रद्धा थी, विश्वास नहीं बढ़ा, मेरी श्रद्धा बढ़ गई. उस पे उसके कारण मेरा विश्वास उस पे आया कि हाँ ये बंदा सच बोल रहा है. उसने बोला नेक्स्ट आएगा कॉलिन स्ट्रीट, कॉलिन के बाद लिटिल कॉलिन. जब इतना हो गया देन आई रियलाइज, मेरे को पूरा विश्वास हो गया. सो श्रद्धा विल लीड टू विश्वास. एक्चुअली दोनों एक्चुअली सिमिलर ही हैं, लेकिन जिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आप पूछ रहे हो मैं उसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बता रहा हूँ. Otherwise, the both things are same. श्रद्धा and विश्वास. श्रद्धा will lead to विश्वास. That's why हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हैं. मैं आप लोगों को क्यों पढ़ा रहा हूँ कि भगवान एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. आप सब लोग यहाँ आए हो क्योंकि आप लोग भगवान पे विश्वास करते हो यार, तभी तो आए हो आप यहाँ भगवान के बारे में सुनने के लिए. भगवद गीता की क्लास में कोई नास्तिक क्यों आएगा? बट आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ अस हैज कोमल श्रद्धा. कोमल श्रद्धा का मतलब क्या होता है? और एथियस्ट, 4 एथियस्ट मिल जाएंगे, आपको घेर के खड़े हो जाएंगे, 1 घंटे में आप भी नास्तिक बन सकते हो. So this thing is for you to build that emotional muscle and knowledge, for you to at least, अगर आप उनको defeat नहीं कर पाओ तो at least आप कचरे में ना गिरो. You can actually walk out and say, you know what, I couldn't defeat them, but I'm not gonna believe them. It's all rubbish. वो किस लिए आएगा? वो because I am trying to increase your कोमल श्रद्धा to solid श्रद्धा. So श्रद्धा बढ़ेगी, then you will have more विश्वास. And that is the purpose of these classes. Otherwise, आप लोगों को, I don't think you guys need this to believe in God. But you need this. I need it because when I say it, I have more faith now. My faith is growing. When my faith is growing, my vishwas will grow. Okay? Yes. Can I have a mic over here, please?
प्रभु, आपकी जो जर्नी थी, जैसे आपने पिछले क्लास में भी बताया था कि एक टाइम था जब आप स्कूल में थे और बिल्कुल मानते नहीं थे, और फिर आपने धीरे धीरे मानना शुरू किया. तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए कि कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आया, कैसे आपने रियलाइजेशन किया, और फिर कैसे आप पर आए.
मैं बताता हूँ. सो हमारा, जैसे आज मेरी जो 4-5 स्लाइड्स है ना, वो मैं अगली बार खत्म कर दूंगा. उसके बाद जो चैप्टर शुरू होने वाला है, दैट इज कॉल्ड हु एम आई. तो मैं भी ऐसे ही आप लोगों के जैसे बैठा था, और मेरी जो फर्स्ट क्लास मैंने अटेंड करी थी, मैं लेट आया था, तो वो मेरी फर्स्ट क्लास थी हु एम आई पे. आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट क्लास, जो अगली 4 क्लासेस हैं, इट विल बी सो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल फॉर ईच ऑफ यू. आप प्लीज मत मिस करना उसको, क्योंकि दैट विल बी द फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ ऑल एवरीथिंग दैट यू गोना बिलीव. आज से लेके 6 महीने 8 महीने तक हम जो भी पढ़ेंगे, अगर आपने नेक्स्ट की 4 क्लासेस मिस कर दी, nothing will make sense and it will never make sense. I mean, obviously if you attend another classes that's fine, but it will never make sense on your own. So मैंने वो क्लास अटेंड करी थी because माता जी उनके हस्बैंड थे चिराग प्रभु, उन्होंने मेरे को अपने घर पे बुलाया था, उनके घर पे थी क्लास. तो मैं गया, मैंने फर्स्ट क्लास अटेंड करी. वो तो मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आई, बट प्रसादम बहुत अच्छा था. मेरी वाइफ शी इज नॉट इन इंडियन, तो मेरे को इंडियन खाना मिलता नहीं है. So I was so happy. मैंने कहा नेक्स्ट वीक वापस जाऊंगा मैं. नेक्स्ट वीक I went and the topic was this, who am I? And that time when I heard that class, I never missed any class. जब मैं इंडिया चला गया था 1 महीने के लिए, I was attending class from India. उस समय कॉलिंग कार्ड होते थे, आप लोगों को जिसको पता होगा, कॉलिंग कार्ड फ्रेंड को देके जाता था कि मेरे को फोन करना और प्रभु जी के सामने फोन रख देना, so that I can attend their classes. This is a transformation, and Varsha Mataji, she has seen me previously, and I know that it's very hard for her to see me here. It is a completely opposite thing. But she has. But Mataji has seen me, so what happened is, so this is my journey. So I learned everything like you guys are learning, you know. ऐसे मैंने बताया ना कि we all have different ways of learning. तो मेरा वो learning something clicked in me, and then all of these people helped me. So आप लोग questions पूछो, because I used to grab the speaker class के बाद and I used to sit with them and ask questions after questions. More questions you will ask, more faith you will develop. Hare Krishna, Shri Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna. Yes. Come. Please come here, beta. I've got something of yours. Is this yours?
That one he completed from here.
Okay. Oh, look at this. He made Krishna. Did you trace it or did you make it yourself? He made it, not a tracing. Beautiful. And I think this is yours as well, is it? I've got a piece of paper. Did you do this? Is this yours?
No, that's Anisha.
That's Anisha. Is she here? Okay. Thank you. Well done, beta. Can I keep this? No. I'll take a photo. Give me the full later on. Hare Krishna. Prabhu, can we sing the सिर्फ यही है, एक ही माइक है प्रभु, इस माइक में ना बैटरी and I want someone